Hello friends, now I am proudly presenting to you Python MasterClass as a 4-hour hands-on experience. Actually, this is the first of its kind in the world. What is the specialty of this? From the day one of your learning, regardless of your programming background, you start writing programs and projects. Exactly, it is like learning car driving. Car driving, if you want to learn car driving, it is not possible in the classroom. What you do? You sit in the driving seat and learn. Okay, in the same fashion, by doing projects, you learn and master, here underline that, master Python. So, for this purpose, you may not believe that because it is not existing in the world. That's why I am presenting to you this Python masterclass as a 4 hours hands-on experience. The real world saying is seeing is believing. But that is not applicable for a programming domain. Here, doing is believing. Do it and believe. For that purpose, I am providing you this Python masterclass as a 4 hours hands-on experience. You finish it and believe it because it's totally new to the world. That's why you have to do it, then believe it. If you are able to complete this successfully, then you can take it as granted. You are 100% right candidate. It is like a fitness test. You are 100% right candidate to aspire a rewarding IT career. Whatever you need to become industry ready, everything I am going to provide to you through my system. Here, uh, before performing this, you follow certain principles. First, to download the ebook from the description box. You download the ebook, take the hard copy. Soft copy is different, hard copy is different. Hard copy should be on your hand. Then, in a matter of 20 pages, you take the printout and you can get the better result. And I am not expecting any programming background. If you have some college programming background, keep aside. Ignore that and start it from zero. Number two is, in order to avoid overwhelming, I divided the 4 hours into 8 training sessions of each 30 seconds. 30 minutes. So daily one training session of 30 minutes you take up and finish. Whatever concepts are there, you own them. Whatever programs are there, you perform it. But within 8 days you complete. Already you are good at programming and all that. Within 3-4 days also you can complete. But slow and steady wins the race. That point always you remember and proceed. Once you succeed in that, again I am telling you, you can take it as granted it is your fitness test to aspire a rewarding IT career. After successful completion of this master class, you get it out. What next? Don't worry. Then I give you Python 50. 50 means I provide you 50 real world scalable projects. From the second week onwards, you write 100 plus lines projects in a scalable way. That model is not there in the world. For the first time, I am introducing to you. And in order to master this, maximum 60 days time is enough, and 100 hours you have to focus on that. And practice time depending on your IQ and other quality of practice. That point you have to understand. And I have recorded another video on Python 50 and watch that. If you are curious about it, first watch that. All information I am not going to give here, but don't go with the half information. Whatever you do, for that complete information you should have. Regarding programming domain, you must know a fact. A road journey and a career journey are exactly alike. Actually, in order to have smooth road journey, you must require two requisites. The first one is right vehicle, second one is right road. Then you can have a smooth journey and reach the destination on time. And career journey. For career journey also, two essential requisites are there. The first one is right course and the second one is the right training system. What is right training system? I have recorded a video. You watch that. You should know all the facts, but all the facts I cannot dump here. Then this video will be 1 hour or more. Nobody watches that. That's why all the videos are available as a sequence, as a playlist. Watch that. What is the right training system? How can you get that? You may not join my course, any course you join, but those parameters, 5 parameters I have given, you must know that. Okay, what is right course? Right course means which technology is in high demand and evergreen demand. Today, some technologies may have demand, but after some time, all those are evaporated. But two technologies are identified in the first phase itself, Python and Excel. Okay, and Excel is the simplest among all the technologies and all that. 90% of companies expect Excel skills. That point also you have to understand. And Python is always evergreen, is highly versatile, and it can support 10 technologies, and you can choose any one of them. Okay, that you have to understand. The very important right course and right training system. Judge the training system. First test it before trust. And one more thing. Why I am able to do what is my specialty means I have developed Windows organic learning system. It is unique in India, and ChatGPT has given number one rank for this and all. This it is exactly meant for Indian students. It tailored to the way Indian students think, learn, and master. That point you have to understand. And on this Indian organic learning system, a detailed video I have given. Watch that. Then only you can understand what is your environment. Then, if you understand that, everywhere you can find the speciality, and every day you can have something identifiable that you will learn and master. The second, the most important fact everybody must know is the most expected career skill is conceptual communication skill. Everybody talks about communication skills. Those are very important. They mean that if you have fluency over English, command over English, that is communication skills. Okay, I do agree. English is a international media. It is having its value. But if you do not know concept, how your English will be useful? Suppose I ask you what is a OOP paradigm. You do not know. How you are very good at English, but how your English will be useful? First understand a fact. English is a medium. That's it. Okay, so conceptual command. Conceptual command with the college systems and all that you never get. For that, no solution is there. For the first time, I found out a solution and providing to you. According to me, almost 70 to 80% of candidates are not able to get jobs because they are not able to face interviews because of lack of conceptual communication skills. That point you have to understand. And one more fact, one of my experiences I have to share with you. Within a span of 5 years, I addressed around 10,000 students in different universities, colleges, and all that. Yes, so within 15 minutes of my lecture, I asked them, you explain any concept, whatever concept it is, 5 minutes fluently, logically explain. Why everybody should understand. For your information, nobody opened up their mouth. Actually, some people try to explain certain keywords they have thrown, not a complete. That is the most pitiable thing. Whether you have conceptual command or not, you question yourself. If you don't have and all that, I have recorded a video, not just a solution. I am providing you everything what you require. The tools and techniques I am providing. You follow that, and within a couple of months, you can improve your conceptual communication skill. Here I cannot explain because it takes 10 to 15 minutes time. You must watch it. If you are a lazy man, you are not perfect for programming. That point I have to understand. Here, one of the techniques I introduce, that is master programming concepts in 10 minutes. Actually, I developed a blog, and in the blog, many concepts I explain, just maximum 10 minutes. Watch that. Watch that. By that, how you can improve your conceptual communication skills, you learn. I give you certain techniques and all that. You must follow that. If you follow the techniques and all that, within 1 month, you will be in a position to improve your conceptual communication skills. One thing I have to tell you, you never thought of its importance. That's why you couldn't do that. If you want, you can do that. It's not a big business. One more privilege to you is this is the Python book, textbook authored by me, Python All Clear. This is not just textbook, it's a video book. In this, 300 concepts are there, 200 programs are there for everything. I have given video lectures. Through DVDs you can get, through LMS also you can get. By that, if you want to master any concept more than one time, 2 times, 3 times, until you get comment over that, you can watch that. This also I explain in another video. You watch it. Everything don't expect here, just I am giving a clue here. The ultimate skill is programming skills. Actually, here just like that, with the college study and all that, you cannot get programming skills. Programming skills are like, as I told you already, learning car driving. That model already explained to you. By performing 50 projects, you learn and master. about it. On this, I have recorded another video, detailed strategy I have explained and all that. You watch that video. Minimum 4 videos you have to watch. Then maximum it is around 40 minutes or 50 minutes. You watch that, understand the spirit of them, and then proceed. Then within 2 months or otherwise 1 more month, you take, you master Python. You will be industry ready. Nobody will compete with you. And finally, I show you my strategy. This also very briefly I am showing you. This is two ladders are there. One is formal learning approach, what colleges follow and all that. Lot of theory they dump. Thereafter they give you a lab and 1 or 2 hours you work. By that you cannot get any programming skills. This is our fast track approach. Small steps, big achievement. That is the approach. And other strategy is there, 4 level project development. That is scalable, that is totally unique. It takes some time and all that. That's why in different video I explained. From the second week after master class, you start developing projects of 100 plus lines. They are divided into 4 levels. If you want, you can go for 10 levels also. In this way, by watching all these 4 videos, you can have complete picture. Without having the basic information, don't go. You can. It is not college-oriented study. It is industry-oriented study meant for evolving you as an industry-ready candidate, and you will be in a position to choose your favorite job. No doubt about that. Wish you all the best.